Well, that escalated rather quickly.
We were going to do this, or we were going to do the Valiant first, and I don't know. I guess Kim dragged us in here.
Help me lift up this side. You know what? I was looking at the Valiant, and it is such a big project. And I thought this would be something little that we could take.
I gotta move.
Yeah, come on, turn around. See if you can help me lift this hood up.
Lift the Bondo up?
Lift this Bondo. It's heavy because it's got Bondo, otherwise it's pretty light. See if you can lift it up. What all's connected to it? Now careful, there's nothing holding it on the front.
What's holding it on the front?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Just the wires.
Oh, you took the bolts
Go
off.
ahead and lift it up onto the bracket.
How about off the car?
Well, there's wires.
Oh, well, I'm afraid the whole thing's gonna fall off.
Well, it is. Okay, here, get it under the, right here.
I don't know how long I can hold this. It's freaking heavy.
Lift it forward and we'll set it down on the concrete. Ready?
No. Hang on. I'm not ready. I'm not good with this.
There you go. Okay, set it down. Okay. Dude, what do you think I should do? Should I just cut
You
these
wonder why I
wires?
never work? She sucks me in and I work. You
Should
just don't see it.
Should I just cut these wires? Well,
Bench
don't
is
lay it
fine.
flat upside down because you might scratch
see my bench,
this
See my
paint.
bench? Right behind you.
Just lay it down. Just lay it down. Here, let go. I got it. Oh man, that Bondo's heavy.
Oh yeah, that worked.
I bumped the camera. Ho! All right, go ahead and check out the chat. I just wanted to get that down.
Okay, let's see. British Bondo. Make the Triumph a pickup. No, I think we're gonna make it a little aluminum sports car.
Yeah, no, the Valiant's gonna be a pickup.
The Valiant will be made into like an Australian Ute pickup.
But we looked at it. We looked at it pretty close.
Well, I know what I'm gonna do, and Kim got all nervous when I started talking to her about what we were gonna do. And I tend to underestimate labor on things.
Oh, that's all like a year worth of work. I was like, no. I know.
One thing I like about this car, it doesn't take up so much room. We pulled my car out. Oh, you got another camera.
I'm recording for long form content for a change.
What car is that, Buff and Kim? DNR says that is a 1971 Austin Healey Sprite.
No, it isn't.
No, that's wrong.
It's a Spitfire.
It's a Spitfire.
Triumph
Spitfire. I know some damn thing that's British. Some Brittany Putney British car.
Brittany Putney.
But
It's got what's it got? 1200 or 1300?
1200 engine, something like that. She got the engine running.
And the guy told me it hadn't run in 15 years, so that that puts it at, or 14 years or something like that. So that's the last time it was running before about a week ago that I got it running.
Can you get in and out of it? Seems low to the ground. Oh, I can't sit in this. I wouldn't sit in this. Something probably
bite you.
Probably bite my butt, because it's a ravaged old car. But once they get the body off the frame, I've got plans how I want to revamp the frame a little bit. And then we're going to I got rolls up here, rolls and rolls of aluminum, aircraft aluminum for building wings and airplane parts. So I'm going to take some of that aluminum and build a body for this. And I kind of got in my mind what I want to do.
I gotta get Mr. Del Campo working. You're gonna copy Chrysler?
I said not really.
Not a copy of a Chrysler.
But kind of that fins and...
Tribute to a copy of a
fins
Chrysler.
and canted headlights looking things. Kind of what I'm thinking.
This is just a tribute.
What are you doing?
I'm impacting.
That wheel's on the ground.
That's how gravity works.
Well, don't you think you should jack up the car before you take the wheel off?
No, well, I'm hammering off these old rusty lug nuts. Once they're free, maybe.
Yeah, I'm pretty pissed about the snow tonight. Snow, Mike Murphy.
Snow?
Yeah, it's right here in the shop. It's 78 degrees right now. The first car I rode in, when my parents brought me home from the hospital when I was born, was a 53 Ford.
How do you remember that? You were just born.
53 Ford two-door. Yeah, it was a two-door with a flathead and a 3-speed on the column. I know, because that's the only car they own. They told me I rode home in it. Yeah, I like the flatheads because you could see the spark plugs. I thought that was really good.
Okay, look at those.
I didn't understand the advantage to the overhead.
They're nearly new.
Nearly new.
No, not at all. They're old. Hey, look, here's the vehicle emissions tag and everything.
An emissions tag.
Vehicle emission control information, the standard Triumph Motor Company LTD's Triumph Spitfire MK3.
It's a Mark III?
4 cylinders, 79 cubic inches. Confirms to U.S. Department and all U.S. state regs to 1970 model year new motor vehicles. Alright, I'm taking this door off.
I'm starting to tear this. My pants are falling. Okay, where's those? Oh, you
Never
need my
mind.
help and then you just do it yourself.
Never mind, I got it. You wait in the truck. I used to say that with the plumbing. If you were too slow. Yeah, that's alright, you just wait in the truck, I got it.
She got serious about taking this car apart. What is this out of the Triumph? Are you stripping that car for paint? No, we're stripping that car to strip the body off. The body's made out of Bondo. Yeah, you weren't here earlier when we were talking about it.
No, this car is in rough.
This car is a rough.
But it runs.
But it runs.
It's got 70,000 miles on it. It runs.
Didn't know. A Vega, a white Vega that was full cage, everything. It was god dang fast. Who was that? Man, that was. I'll know his name as soon as I hear it. Oh, okay, you got it loose. I'm thinking this needs to move back and up. And to move back, I think this dash pad's in the way.
No, it's not. We're just relax. I'm gonna work.
Just relax.
Go ahead, go back.
Kim knows what she's doing.
I had a feeling that break this window.
That's what I'm afraid of. It's like there's something in the middle. Kim, it's like there's something in the middle holding it.
Maybe.
It's not going to, see, whatever these bolts go into on the side, that goes forward. So it's not going to come up. It's got to come back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do know what you mean. I just can't get it to do it.
Yeah, I still think it's running into this pad. I think the whole thing is running into the pad and it won't come back.
Okay.
Man, that's a terrible looking gasket, isn't it?
It's in bad shape.
Ooh, I'm watching this seal spread apart. Because I'm tweaking it enough so the window's moving in there.
Is yours lift at all? It lifts a lot.
Yeah, but I still say it's got to come back. It can't come back with that dash pad there. It cannot come back with the dash pad there.
It's not even touching. It is kind of stuck to the dash.
Yeah, it is.
Well, crap. Okay.
No, you don't want to hear that.
Dang it! Will it start? I got the
Will
fuel
it start?
system. Got the fuel system. Little thing. Little boop, 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 boop. So we got fuel. We got battery. Hopefully we have battery here. Jumper hot to the ignition coil wire. jam it in here. And then I think I'll just jump to...
Is it out of gear?
I don't know. Got zapped a little bit.
You got zapped?
A little bit.
Ooh.
About 12 volts worth. Ready? Give me a spritz of something hot.
Hot?
Well, yeah, some fire starter. Fire make it happen.
Where's that thing I had with the avgas in it? Still at the house.
It's up at the house.
You ready? Oh, that didn't sound good. Hang on, nothing comes out when I push the button.
That's a top-notch.
This has no pressure. It's got juice in it and no pressure.
Oh yeah, that's not so helpful. Let's see what else I can find.
It just runs the flammable shit down my arm. Make a short showing the car starting. And we'll have every camera going. Dean Stevenson. It's got Lucas Electrics and a Zenith Stromberg intake fuel system.
Okay, here.
What else could go wrong? What is this? Oh, gum out. That'll burn.
Okay. Wait, are we in? Oh, yeah, we're going.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Okay.
That ought to be enough.
That ought to do it, huh?
Here.
Come on. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I'll just drown it. That's always works. Start. Hey, we started a Studebaker in here. A bunch of mice nests came all the way through the whole tailpipe and shot out into the shop.
Oh, that sounds lovely, huh? Come on.
Got a bald spot in the firewall on the flywheel.
We're not there anymore.
Yeah, there. Let air in the other way.
And it's got to have gas in it now.
It's got gas in it now.
Yeah.
Don't put your finger in there. Yeah.
Okay, you ready with the spray?
Yep. Anybody hear it running? Can you hear it running, or is it
When it's not
silent?
It's not super loud.
Looks like it might be picking it up. Running right now. Let's see if it can't hear it running. I can hear a little rattle. That's it.
That's all there is. Clickety clack. It's not even that.
It's quiet engine.
Not bad, huh?
Quiet engine.
That'd be okay for an aluminum car. We don't believe it unless we hear it say straight bullet. All right, guys.
Okay, here's what we need to do.